What is going on to my fellow E30 owners and other people just watching the video? Thank you guys for watching all the videos. Every time I upload, I'm trying to get some videos pushing right now. I'm trying to think of mods I can do to the car because I'm running out of ideas. My car's almost to the point where I'm satisfied with it, but I know there's going to be more. I have a lot of things that I made a list of recently, so this is one of the little mini things we're going to throw on. This is a Sparco toe strap. Now right now I just want to really throw it on, so I'm going to be a little bit redundant and put the OEM toe hook through here. We're going to thread it through and then thread it into the toe hook spot in the front. So really it's going to be a toe hook and a toe strap, which is really stupid. So just because I want it on there for the time being, I'm going to throw it on there just like this. But I will get a regular bolt that is the same thread pattern and size and just throw it on there, and it'll just be a bolt and the toe strap by itself. So right now all you gotta do, this is literally the exact same size, so you just thread it on there until it goes all the way to the end, and then now you're good. So that's threaded, and then I want to show you guys how to get the little panel off the car. So now basically you just get your toe strap and then just put that to the side and then get a little hook tool like this. You guys can see that. And then just go ahead and pop it out just like that. And it's attached to a little tether. That's really cool. And then you just take the tether out on one end. I'm not sure how you get it out the other side. Basically, this is a really cool idea. And then I don't know how to get the tether out. I'm definitely not cutting it or anything like that nature. This has definitely been used before though, because I see the broken piece of plastic, and then you just snap it back into, just like that. So go ahead and pop that boy out again, just like that. Now let's see if this even works. Let's see if this idea even works real quick. Oh yeah, it works just like that. Boom. Sparco toe strap. That is so cool, guys. That's all there is to it. Just throw it on there. So guys, scratch that. I have a lug nut that I cannot use for this car because it's the wrong thread pitch, but it is the right thread pitch for this. So get the toe hook, throw it in, and then start threading it up, and then just, oh, wrong way. Just make it so, just keep it straight, and that's not going anywhere. And boom, there you go. That looks 100% better. Got a matching bolt, matches the trim. That's it, guys. Now we're done. See you guys in the next little install. Peace.